So the proper functioning of JDK requires two variables to be defined here. In the system variables corner, we have to define two variables. Number one is the Java home and the second is the path. Okay, so how to define these? I will show you. From the new option, variable name will be Java home. I have already defined, but I can show you how it can be done. Java home, it should be in capital letters, okay? And the path will be from here. Go to C drive to and then to program files and then to Java and JDK and then bin file, okay? So copy this whole path till the JDK. The path till the JDK will be included in this field. Where is it? Yeah, here. Okay, so the bin option won't be there here. So that's the path, and we will select OK, and the variable will be set. Another variable we have to define it new and copy the path till bin. So I have already done that. You have to do it again. Then OK, and then OK, and then OK. So we have set the variables. Now, for checking if we have done it correctly, go to your search bar and open CMD command prompt and then cd backslash, sorry. So we will check the version if it is a variable Java minus version, we will check it. So it displayed this version. It means we have set the environment variables correctly. Okay. So let's close it. So we are all done.